question around crying is sometimes when I'm in meditation, I start crying. Is this normal? This is a question that I have had asked to me on several occasions. And a lot of the time, it's from women. And this is not my personal experience. My personal experience of meditation has not had several experiences of tears, of crying. But there have been moments especially during kirtan, during devotion, where emotion has come up, where I felt teary, where I felt overwhelmed with emotion. What happens during your meditation is that you finally give yourself permission to go deeper within yourself. We spend most of our life looking at what is happening on the outside, focusing on what is happening on the outside. And a lot of the times, when things are happening on the outside that are difficult, we take those emotions and we don't have time to deal with them, or we're not in a space where we can deal with them. So we push them in and we suppress them. So when you close your eyes and you shut out the external world, you shut out all your problems, then all of the emotion that has been suppressed, like a volcano, begins to surface, begins to rise up. So when people ask this question, is it normal to cry during meditation? Yes, it is normal. The fact that I've had so many people ask me this question, by that very fact alone, means that it is normal. You are not the only person that has experienced this. But when you ask the question, what you're asking is it okay? How do I deal with the crying? You must understand that the crying is not the problem. What you have to become aware of is the days and weeks and months of emotional suppression that you are doing to yourself that is being released as crying during meditation. So you don't try to solve the crying during the meditation. Try to understand all the times in the day, where am I bringing emotion into my life and suppressing it deep? Become aware of then what are the triggers? What are the things that make me feel angry, stressed, out of control, and yet I do not express them, so I suppress them? And I'm not saying that every time you have a reason to become emotional that you must just let it go there and then. Because there is something even further behind the suppressing of the emotion, is the sense of control. We get emotional because there is a sense of control. I want this to happen. I can't believe that this happened. This shouldn't have happened. This person is not acting how I want them to act. This situation is not going the way I want it to go. All of these things, when they become thoughts in your mind, you take that emotion and you push it down. At that moment, you must practice your meditation. It doesn't mean at that point you must close your eyes and go into a quiet corner. It means you must learn to let go of the emotion creator at that point. You let go of the story at that point. And this is what is being meant when Gurbani puts so much focus, the Guru puts so much emphasis on the idea of letting go and surrendering to Hukam, to the natural order, to everything that is happening in this moment now. Do not take it on. Do not let it become another burden that you carry. Let it be like water off a duck's back. Let the water simply just roll off, and it does not stain you. It does not make you wet. It does not make you drown into it. During your day, during your waking moments, notice the moments that you're getting stressed, tension is rising, you're getting angry, you're getting emotional. Sometimes you may even express it, but you haven't fully let it go. Of course, with all that suppression, it will let go in the moment of meditation. But that is not the thing that you must deal with. You must deal with the emotion build-up during your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you benefited from that. If you'd like to help us create more spiritual content, then head over to our website nanaknaam.org/donate and think about setting up a regular monthly donation. We're a 100% non-profit organization, so all the donations that you give us go directly into the charity and that help us to create and share Gurmat spiritual wisdom.